San Antonio storms can turn a small leak into a big headache fast. At Apex Roofing and General Contractors, we keep it simple. We find the problem, show you what we see, and fix it right. From shingle roofs to metal installs, we handle repairs and full replacements. Missing shingles, soft spots, or a drip in the attic? If it's urgent, we respond quickly and protect your home. You'll get clear options, solid workmanship, and a roof that holds up. Ready to stop the damage before it spreads? Call us today.